Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to try something a little different. We had a family adventure in May. Well, we have lots of those, but this one I am going to do something different with using Ali Edwards products. Normally when I do adventure type of pages, I use Everyday Explorers because I feel like I have more stamps with Everyday Explorers that match adventures. But I had this card that said this is May, and I had some like beige and blue pieces from my May Stories by the Month collection that I really wanted to see if I could use. So I'm going to try that. I am going to wind up fighting with a card, and I'm going to have to make it remake it a total of 3 times. So somehow I am determined to get this spread to look the way that I have it envisioned in my mind, which is the blacks and the blues and kind of this beige color. I also had in my stash this sticker sheet off to the right that I had never used, so I am trying to incorporate that as well. This card right here is, I cut it down to 3x3, and I'm just going to add a chipboard and a piece of the sticker washi, and then another little sticker that says, I think says today, and then that'll be it. And I'm also going to make a few stamped cards, like I said, and so this one says never stop exploring, and then I put another sticker washi, and then weekend adventures. And then I'll just add up at the top another little black word phrase sticker. And then this begins the battle with this 3x3 card. The reason I'm showing this is just because sometimes you try something with a layout and it doesn't work, and you have to kind of look at it and then be like, okay, that didn't work. So that's what happened here. I made this card with this bright blue pattern and then documented on it. And then I brought the whole spread back together, and I kind of realized that this blue wasn't the right blue to match, and it was just too powerful. So I set it aside, and now I'm going to make this card that says let's go on an adventure. And then I wanted to add some more of that blue, so I put a small little strip of it in the middle, and then below that I will stamp loving in black ink. I love this card, I just didn't like the blue in the middle. So I'm going to fix that later on, but this card so far is really good and I really like it. But I'm going to bring everything back together and kind of look at everything, and then I'm going to realize that this 3x3 bright blue is just taking away too much from this spread. It's just pulling your eye completely to that page. And like I said, it doesn't match. So I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to stamp out the other blues that I have, and then also some browns, and I'm going to go with a ink that is called Sugar Cookie. That matched the This Is May 3x3 the best. I'm going to stamp that on the paper, and then I'll piece it together to put on the Let's Go on an Adventure page. Then I decide to try black. I thought that black pattern of this would work well. But then I added all the beige elements on top of it, and beige and the black didn't work well together either. It was, again, a too powerful of a card almost, and it was pulling your eye away from like the photos. It wasn't balanced. So I cut off, you saw me cut off the chipboard, and which was easy to do. I just cut it off, and then I was able to glue it down. And then I put it back over there, and I had a black sticker over there. So then I bring it back again. I bring it all back together, and I decide to add some blue to it. And it's like, I think it's a blue, like middle of a flower. And I don't like that. I made a mess of those dots, and I did not like it at all. So then I decide to, again, make a strip of the like brown sugar cookie ink, and I'll just put that in the middle. And I'm going to go very simple. That way you have some white space, because the other card, the Never Stop Exploring, that card was very simple. So I'm just going to go with that. So I went with a strip, then the chipboard, here we go, love, and then a circle sticker, and that's it. And then now I have some white space and it's all balanced. And I've brought it all back together into the album to show you how it looks in the album, and it looks wonderful. I just forgot to print one photo and I'll do that later. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this process video and how you can still make something work even if it takes a few tries. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching this, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.